Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect hair tools that protect your strands while giving you that sleek, polished look, today's review might be just what you need. I'm taking a close look at the TYMO Ring Hair Straightener Brush paired with the TYMO Heat Protectant Spray, a duo designed to elevate your hairstyling game while keeping your hair healthy and shiny. The TYMO Ring Hair Straightener Brush comes in a striking limited edition champagne gold, crafted to feel as elegant as it looks. Its patented V-shaped flame-retardant plastic frame promises anti-scald protection from every angle, and it even has an auto-off feature after 30 minutes, which is a thoughtful touch for safety-conscious stylists at home. Complementing this is the TYMO Heat Protectant Spray, formulated with oil-hydrolyzed keratin to shield hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed to prevent breakage and thermal damage, while argan oil infusion helps smooth frizz, repair split ends, and enhance overall hair health, making it perfect as a daily leave-in conditioner. Using this combination in my routine was surprisingly effortless. The brush heats up quickly and glides through strands without snagging, giving hair a polished finish in fewer passes than other brushes I've tried. The anti-scald design truly makes a difference. I felt secure even while styling near the roots. Paired with the heat protectant spray, my hair felt softer, less frizzy, and noticeably more resilient, even after repeated styling sessions. What stood out was how user-friendly the brush is for everyday use. The auto-off feature is reassuring, and the champagne gold finish feels luxurious without being gimmicky. On the downside, while the brush works well on fine to medium hair, extremely thick or coarse hair may require multiple passes, slightly extending styling time. The heat protectant spray has a lightweight feel, but if you have very long or dense hair, you may need a bit more product to ensure full coverage. When it comes to value, this set feels like an investment. The brush combines safety, elegance, and performance in a way that justifies the price point, while the heat protectant spray adds a layer of protection and nourishment that reduces long-term damage. A cost-saving feature in the long run if you're committed to maintaining healthy hair. Comparing it to other high-end straightening brushes, the TYMO stands out for its anti-scald design and the inclusion of a professional-grade heat protectant spray. While some competitors offer similar styling performance, they often lack integrated safety features or the same attention to hair health, making TYMO a strong contender for those seeking both style and protection. The build quality is solid, the materials feel durable, and the brush maintains consistent heat without warping. The spray bottle is easy to use, and the formula absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. From what I've seen, TYMO has a good reputation for customer support, and they've included thoughtful safety and usability features that reflect a brand attentive to consumer needs. For those on a tighter budget, there are other heat protectants and straightening brushes that work well, but they may not combine safety, style, and hair care in the same cohesive package. If premium quality and hair protection are your priority, TYMO delivers on both fronts. Overall, this set impressed me with its elegant design, practical safety features, and performance. It's ideal for anyone looking to achieve a sleek, salon-worthy look at home while minimizing heat damage. If you often style your hair and want a product that balances efficacy and protection, this is a strong choice. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the TYMO Ring Hair Straightener Brush or the Heat Protectant Spray, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Links to purchase are in the description box. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.